Brake dust is iron and carbon deposits that sit on the face of the wheel over time. If you don't properly maintain it or clean it, it can cause corrosion. Using car washing soap won't break it down properly. Using the proper chemistry is going to be matching the wheel finish and the deposits that are sitting on the face of your wheel. One wrong turn on a matte or aluminum wheel is going to cause permanent damage. There's so many different types of wheels out there on the market. Chrome, aluminum, matte, painted aluminum, and so much more. Whenever you're not sure what type of wheel finish you have on your car, I always recommend starting off with the least aggressive wheel cleaner and work your way up so that this should prevent any future damage or any damage on your wheel. Always make sure your wheel is cool to the touch and never hot. Never spray the product directly onto the wheel. What you want to do first is start off by rinsing the surface down to knock off any loose grime or debris. After that, grab your wheel cleaner. In this occasion, I am using Diablo wheel cleaner. We'll spray directly onto the surface. Once you're done spraying the wheel cleaner, grab your wheelie flag tip brush and scrub the face of the wheel. Diablo wheel cleaner is going to allow me to remove any loose brake dust, grime, debris away from the surface of the vehicle. So like this, I am not causing any scratches whatsoever. We're going to be moving on to the intricate areas, which is going to be using our borax hair detailing brush. Scrub the wheel finish, the lug nuts, the valve stems, the hard to reach areas that I might have missed with the other brush. Once you're done cleaning up your wheel, all you need to do is rinse it off and dry it up. Whenever it comes to applying tire shine, you never want to apply it to the tread of the tire. You actually want to apply it directly onto the sidewall of the tire. In this occasion, I'll be grabbing my bottle of VRP, a designated foam applicator, to help me spread this tire shine across the sidewalls. Apply a couple drops, I'll go to the surface, and I'm gonna start working in the tire shine directly onto the tires. Make sure they're dry to a touch so the tire shine won't splatter all over the place. In the occasion you might have overspray or leftover tire shine on your wheel, go ahead and grab a clean microfiber towel and wipe it right off. And by the way guys, our wheel cleaners are not going to touch up or fix any curb rashes away from the surface of the wheel. If you're using the improper product on your wheel, this can be happening on your wheel. So this is why we always recommend starting off with the least aggressive and work your way up depending on the finish of your wheel. We'll be splitting up this next section into wheel cleaners and degreasers. The safest wheel cleaner out there is going to be our Diablo wheel cleaner. Diablo wheel cleaner comes in two different forms, a concentrated version and a non-concentrated version that's ready to use. If you pick up the concentrated version, we do recommend diluting it into a secondary sprayer bottle to a 3-to-1 ratio. Compared to whenever you get to our ready to use version, simply just shake the bottle, spray directly onto the surface that you're cleaning, and start scrubbing it off. Diablo wheel cleaner is an oxygen infused formula that's going to remove any brake dust, grime, debris, iron particles away from the surface of the vehicle without harming any type of wheel finish. Sticky Citrus Wheel Cleaner Gel is a citrus-based gel that's going to be a little bit more tougher on filth and grime, but still safe on all types of wheel finishes. Same exact way you would use Diablo Wheel Cleaner, shake up the bottle, spray directly onto the surface. It's actually going to be clean hard onto the dirt and grime, but it's going to be very, very gentle on all types of wheel finishes. Now, if you're that person that does have a glossy wheel and the wheels are not cleaned up and you need something a little bit more aggressive, we do recommend using our signature series orange degreaser. This orange degreaser is a heavily concentrated degreaser that can be diluted in many different types of parts in a secondary sprayer bottle. You could also use it straight out of the bottle to go ahead and degrease those hard to reach areas like the suspension, the caliper, the wheel, and so much more. Simply spray it, scrub it, and rinse it off. If you know you have a lot of iron deposits sitting on the face of your wheel, we recommend using our specialty product, two-phase wheel cleaner. This two-phase wheel cleaner is an iron remover that's going to remove any iron buildup that is releasing from your brake pads and sitting on the face of the wheel. Whenever you spray it directly onto the surface, you'll start seeing a chemical reaction. It'll start turning purple. Once it already turned fully purple, go ahead and start rinsing it off and you're good to go. If you use the formula and it does not turn purple, that does not mean the product is not working. That just means the iron deposits are not heavily contaminated on your surface of your wheel. And finally, to go ahead and degrease your tires and remove any tire blooming away from the rubber, go ahead and use our Total Extract Tire and Rubber Cleaner. This is a specialty tire cleaner that's a simple spray directly onto the surface, scrub it off, and rinse it off and dry it up, and then after that, you'll be applying your tire shine. Now that the wheel's completely clean, we'll be talking about tire shine, and I'll be breaking down 3 different sections: aerosol, oil-based, and water-based. To start off with, we'll be talking about VRP. VRP is a water-based dressing that can be used on the interior and exterior of your car. It's a very thick cream. All you need to do is grab your foam applicator, microfiber applicator, apply a couple of drops onto your applicator, and start working it into the desired area you want to apply it to. whether it's on the interior or exterior of your car. In this occasion, we're talking about tires. The next tire shine we'll be talking about is going to be our tire and trim gel. Tire and trim gel is an oil-based dressing that is super easy to use, but this oil-based dressing can only be used on the exterior of your car. I always recommend using this dressing, or recommend anybody that does park their car outside next to sprinklers or come into contact with running water as sooner or later. Oil-based dressings are going to last much longer. It's also going to give you a much higher shine. You want to apply it the same exact way you would use a water-based dressing. Grab a foam applicator, apply a couple of lines or dots, and work it into a desired area. Now, you're that person that has super nubby tires or likes going off-roading and water-based dressing or oil-based dressing is not doing the job. We recommend using the aerosol dressing. This aerosol dressing is super easy to use and very convenient, especially on nubby tires. All you need to do is shake up the formula, remove the cap, hold it down, and start mixing it all over the tire. If you do have any overspray on the wheel or the paint, grab a clean microfiber towel and wipe it right off. And if you're short on time and want to enhance shine onto your tires but don't have the opportunity to clean them or degrease them, we do have this specialty tire shine that's called Cling On Tire Foam. All you need to do is shake up the product, spray directly onto the surface, and this product is a 3-in-1 formula. It's going to clean it, it's going to protect it, it's going to dress it, so like this you remove any tire blooming or browning on your tires, and like this your tires are always looking good on the road. Remember, any type of wheel finish can be touched up using our Diablo wheel cleaner. If you want to step higher and a citrus-based product, go ahead and use our sticky citrus wheel cleaner gel. And if you need to degrease your suspension, your wheel, pick up a degreaser like an orange degreaser. And if you want iron lift off, pick up our two-phase wheel cleaner. To degrease your tires, specialty product tire and rubber cleaner. And do not forget to enhance your tire shine using a water-based dressing or an oil-based dressing like VRP, tire and trim gel, or Shine Logic RS. And if you want to take your ceramic properties and protect to the next level on your wheels, do not worry. We actually have a full ceramic breakdown on how to use our ceramic protection that's going to last up to a year, so that this your car is protected using the Paris ceramic. Don't forget, guys, to like, comment, subscribe, and all of these products that I talked about today are in the link down below. We'll see you guys next time.